mpaka noroboti rukubwatia rituko ria rero nigo aba director each board member kurwa ase factory au kurwa ase county ya Kisii na Nyamira baumira na ime yomochobo songo abo gotuguterare chinkwana chia kaburi oyoro motendri obo kurwa ase orgongo rwa Gusii ase kiombekeri ya Tea Board of Kenya asekiri bagoteba buna nigo akwana ase mitandao buna nigo aba director bose bakobariera abaremi ase okobanacha ekilo eyamo yechae asekera egunia egento bono bagoteba ng'a nigo kebwate moisture content kagokwana nabarikia mang'ana kurwa ase omochi obosongo aba director abo bakoragwa no mo director ombasa omweno kurwa ogembo nigo bono batebire buna tibamochorete kobatendera ase entunde ya kabere na gochakia na kwenekea buna ngochika barebe gotwara obachori inse yegeka kiamatuko 10 namo herio gochia gochora omurai obo omuya
anoyo ominto o claim nga ngoto represent yale Kisii region ST board tabeti elected in his second term. He was elected in the first term na second term tachitio koraki tachikochorua bono igara alia kwa niaba ya kero mwenyene na abamochorete na ntumanyeti ng'a ne interest chianga go represent ana yechae ya machari agotebega na moisture content okorero maene abagusi ba mintu igenteke inkianya kobo konye no kere utatigeta koba gotebwa isiko abana ba mintu bateneine na incha abandi babeire farm ni managers manyete ekyo nyo nabagusi ba mintu mo manyete igo ekyo ngecheke ntoche togende round eschia farmers cheto tea buying centers totebya bali ba mintu nganki kegenderete togotebi Tea Board of Kenya wetere serikali erole nganga kia okora bwango amatuko 14 na ataraera tochoro omuntu ogoto represent onya ntoliko kwa wali bageri togochoro omuntu gwetera TBK supervise election ngochora toro omuntu ito ogoto represent within 14 days onya talibo togende kotini alikobolia a government through TBK through the minister in charge ya agriculture again they say president komotebinga surely farmers in Kenya are really languishing in poverty and they should not be subjected to a levy of 0.8%.
Kaburi has said is just political. He wants to get advantage of our farming community, and we should denounce it with all the forces that can be. The issue of moisture content is not there. What is normally there is that for every bag there is a tare weight. And that is what Mr. Kaburi is trying to say, that we are corrupt, we are stealing. We are not stealing, we are running our factions well, and our aim as directors is to ensure that the farmer gets the maximum benefit, which we are trying to do in an environment which is very harsh. The way we have scales which are represented by the Weights and Measures Department of the Government of Kenya. These scales are periodically checked. We also, at the packing, every kilogram of tea is weighed and recorded. Factory, there is weighment at the dispatch. So, and that is what the managers are doing. From the farm up to the dispatch, every kilo is accounted.
Mibona gana turuga paka sana na tuge jitundu bari muri mito gusiga begete chae getanda yona ndaka nyimume kega tonga agajeta machari and the moment inkogora machari yonsi ikonkonya ile factory ingo chikomie chae na nyora na agora just water. If we record since morning paka magoroba that less chae rie nkenge jilos jiriti chiko jitabu atikein at the end of the year go wakana chikiro chinyinge sana chia maji chitali delivered to the factory, and this is what is meant ekorunga gosame chae provision ya maji kuruka moisture content. Like Nyankoba, we talked nabali baito oba karutira ka chae ka gochimoto bagaja bagaika kara abandu baja komina usumba toka agree together ngakebekwe as a system unere provided by the MS eye koruko KDT management services ito to contract the KDT. This thing is a kero issue. sorry tingende kigusi ekerekero visio omuremi gagupima bworo kigute weight bworo kiguna moisture content onye kaburi okero generic cause you should move to court tutige siasa egere nchori ngekera neti nkerete rukere iligo egere mba accused ba ina